Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka ying bishar Meghalaya High Court ha ka arphundai tarek ujeliu arja punriu kala penskem ya ka hukum jong ka kashari bala penmi hau yayong arja punriu ban ajamin ya ka sonam Raghuvanshi ka badai ka nongsha kano bah khamat halor ka jing peniap yala utangala jong u Raja Raghuvanshi ha ka por bagedang wan ka honeymoon sya ka ni jela Meghalaya haus nem arja arsan. Uway unong bishar marway, u Justice W. Dingdo, ula kentad ya ka jingkarpat ka sorkar jela ka batinju ya ka hukum bala ay jamin ya ka sonam. Ka ying bishar kala buno ya ka ray ha ka shipautarek u jeliw arjar punriw, hadin bala dep sangap ya ki jing penkesan niya na baro arliang mentala palat shipau sengi. Ya ka sonam la ajamin da ka Additional Deputy Commissioner Judicial Shillong. Halor ka nongrem baka tanat pulit ka bapelong ya ka jing toket kamshem la pentip ne batay bahay ya ki daw halor ka jingkem ya ka sonam. Kabala kata bat pendu ya ka hok jongka ban yada yaladi katkum ka an. Ka kashari kala kedaw bakikot kisla jongki pulit. Kintop ya ka checklist ban penkesan ya ka jingkem ka arrest memo, ka inspection memo. Ka jing penbena ya ki hok jong ka bala syakem bat ki benta bala shim na ka case diary. Kila kedaw bonsin ya ka section 403 bracket 1 jong ka BNS ha ka jaka jong ka section 103 bracket 1. Ka badai ka kendonaan ka baydai bat ka kampanya beriau. Ka kasyari kala kentat ya ka jingkam jong ka prosecution ba ka jingkedaw bonsin ya ka kendonaan ka babakla ka daitang na ka jingbakla ha ka jingtho ne ka typographical error henry kamdai ka jingbakla ka bakta ya ka mukadma.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.